Sermon number 124. Exhort his followers to fight. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Put the armored man forward and keep the unarmored one behind. Grit your teeth because this will make the swords skip off the skull, and dodge on the sides of the spears for it changes the direction of their blades. Close the eyes because it strengthens the spirit and gives peace to the heart. Kill the voices because this will keep off spiritlessness. Do not let your banner bend down, nor leave it alone. Do not give it to anyone except the brave and the defenders of honor among you because they alone endure befalling of troubles. They surround the banners and encircle them on both sides, their rear and their front. They do not separate from them lest they give them over to the enemy. They do not go ahead of them lest they leave them alone. Everyone should deal with his adversary and also help his comrade by his own life, and should not leave the adversary to his comrade lest both his own adversary and his comrade join against him. By Allah, even if you run away from the sword of today you would not remain safe from the sword of the next world. You are the foremost among the Arabs and great figures. Certainly in running away there is the wrath of Allah, unceasing disgrace and lasting shame. And certainly a runner away does not lengthen his life, nor does anything come to intervene between him and his day of death. Who is there to go towards Allah like the thirsty going to the water? Paradise lies under the edges of spears. Today their reputations, about the valor of warriors, will be tested. By Allah, I am more eager to meet them, in combat, than they are for returning to their houses. By Allah, if they reject truth disperse their group, divide their words, opinion, and destroy them on account of their sins. They will not budge from their stand till the continuous striking of spears causes piercings, of wounds, through which wind may pass. And the hitting of swords cuts through the skull, cleaves bones and breaks forearms and legs, till they are attacked by contingent after contingent and assaulted by detachments which are followed by reserves for support. Till their cities are continuously assailed by force after force, and till the horses trample even the extreme ends of the lands, the tracks of their beast and their meadows.